In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read aloud in the Chrome browser. If you want Chrome to read a web page or document out loud for you, the good news is that the process is simple once you know where to look. This can be really helpful if you prefer listening instead of reading, if you want to multitask, or if you just need support focusing on longer content. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you'll find several browser options. From that menu, click Settings. Inside the Settings page, look for the About Chrome section and open it. Here, Chrome will automatically check whether your browser is up to date. This matters because some features may not appear properly if you're using an older version. If an update is available, let Chrome finish updating and restart the browser if needed before continuing. Once you've confirmed that Chrome is updated, go to the specific website or document you want Chrome to read aloud. Open the page and make sure the content you want to hear is visible and accessible on the screen. If it's a longer article or document, it can help to scroll to the section you want before moving on. Next, highlight the text you want to read aloud. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct section. After the text is highlighted, right-click on it. In the menu that appears, look for the option to open it in reading mode. Click that option to continue. When reading mode opens, you'll see a cleaner view of the selected content, designed to make reading easier and less distracting. In that reading mode panel, look for the play button. Simply click the play button to start the read aloud feature. At this point, Chrome will begin reading the selected text aloud. If you don't hear anything right away, make sure your computer volume is turned up and that your audio output is working properly. It's also a good idea to confirm that the text was highlighted correctly before opening reading mode. And that's it. Once you know where these options are, using Chrome's Read Aloud feature becomes quick and convenient. It's a useful tool for listening to articles, reviewing written content, or making online reading more accessible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.